Hello, in this video we will use these two data frames, salary and bonus. Usually a left join is represented like this. This means that we will take all the rows of left data frame and join with those that exists in the right data frame. In this case, the last row of right data frame will not appear in the final result because it doesn't exist in the left data frame. The final result will be something like this, and something to notice here is that Octavia doesn't have any value here because she doesn't appear in the right data frame. About right join is almost the same thing, is represent like this, and we will take all the rows from the right side, we will join with the rows that exists in the left side, and we will get a result like this. How we can do a left join and a right join with Pandas? We can use the join and merge instance methods. In this video we will use just join. This is the part 1. In the next video we will do with merge. As always, we are importing pandas here. This is the path for the files, and here we load the salary and the bonus. After this, we will do our code. If you saw the previous video about inner join, you know already that we need to create an index in both data frames so it will join properly. Let's declare a salary ID index that is equals to salary.set_index, and we provide the column ID. The column ID will be the index on salary ID index. Okay. For bonus, we have bonus ID index is equals to bonus.set_index, and the column that will be the index is the underscore ID. Now we can do our left join. Let me go a little down here so we can see everything that is important, and we declare a result that is equals to salary ID index dot join with bonus ID index, and let's run and see what we get. And we got an error, columns overlap. Okay, and it says that we have a name and a value. Both data frames have a name and a column called value, so we need to distinguish these things. We need to provide two more parameters to join instance methods. We go here and we provide the L suffix for left suffix that is equals to underscore from salary, and R suffix that is equals to from bonus. Left suffix refers to the salary and right suffix refers to the bonus. Let's run these, and we got what we expected. Now it's very easy to understand that this column comes from salary and this column comes from bonus. As you can see, we have here a not a number and another not a number because Octavia doesn't have a bonus. Let's change these values. We go a little down here and I will paste some codes that I have already. We will change with the lock function these values. The first lock, we are saying that we want the row that have the ID 13. We want the column that is called name underscore from bonus, this column, so we are referring to this value. Okay, we are changing it to be Octavia. In the second lock, we are getting all the rows that have a not a number in the column value underscore from bonus, and also we are selecting the column value underscore from bonus, this column, and we are assigning the value 100. So we will change this value, but imagine that we had more not a numbers in this column, so this code will change those values too. We can run this again, and as you can see, we have here Octavia and 100. An important thing to notice here is that we are doing a join with index on index, but the join instance method allows us to do also a column on index. Let me copy this. We go a little down, we make some room for the new code and we paste, and instead of calling here the salary ID index, we can call directly the salary, the data frame that doesn't have the ID as an index. For this to work, we need to provide parameter on, and we say that we want to join column ID from salary, we say here ID, with the index of bonus ID index. This is a column on index join. Let's run and see what we get, and we got what we expected. Also, there is another parameter that we can provide, that is the sort parameter, and we will say that it is true. If we notice here in the ID we have 12, 32, 13 and 67. Running this, now we got the rows sorted by the ID. We have 12, 13, 32 and 67. And about right join, we can go up and copy the previous code here, and we go down here and we paste the code, and we provide another parameter that is the how parameter. By default, this how parameter is left for left join, and now we want a right join. Okay, we run this and we got what we expected. Here we have here, for example, chastity don't have a salary, just have a bonus. Okay, so we have here not the numbers. If you find this video helpful, please like it. It will help a lot, and as always, thank you for watching.